Hello there to Room 287 tour at Mercure Resort Sanur. Inside the room, light switches, no smoking sign, place to put the hotel card, the floor pan with a peephole. Here is the wardrobe. Open it up. It's a locker along with 3 drawers. There's a shelf there. Here, this is the bathroom. A mirror, sink, tissue box, there's a hairdryer, there's the mini towels, soaps, toothbrushes, etc. Toilet, the shower area, the curtain for privacy, there's a shower head. Let's get out of the bathroom. Place to put the stuff, your luggage, mirror on the left. Take a good view of the hotel room. Two single beds with bedside lights on each side. Our suitcases is there. A telephone there with the place to write notes. There's a door to the other room which is off limits for us, for any residents. 2 chairs to sit on with a light, AC, the mirror with lights on either side, 3 drawers along with a chair. They provide us with 4 bottled waters, a kettle, along with the pantry, a television with plenty of channels to watch, including Boomerang, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, HBO Max, etc. This is why this hotel room is expensive. This is the TV remote along with the AC remote. A drawer. Open this up. It's a fridge, nothing in there. Full statue. Now let's take a look outside. Let's take a look outside. Tables and chairs. Place to put your wet laundry. Take a look at the scenery. Now let's head on back in. This is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future. One thing I forgot to mention is the portable flashlight